Hello to all my viewers. Today we are going to discuss how to generate field maps in Tableau. So for this, we will go in the environment of Tableau. In Tableau, the variables are divided into two parts. This is the dimension and this is measure. Basically, dimensions are those variables which are categorical and measures are those variables which are continuous. Now let us see the requirement for the field maps. I will click here. Yeah, here. It requires one geo dimension. You can see here it is written and one measure. So let us pick up sales from here and country from here. Drag it and drop it in the canvas. Now I'll change the map type. I'll click here and you can see we are having the field map ready. Now on this map, I want to represent the states. So I'll pick up the state from here and drop it into the detailing. And you can see the map is according to the states. But there are some representations which are to be done on each and every state. So let us pick up the state again and put it in the label. And now I will get the state also. Now pick up the sales from here and put it in the label. So the state is there, the sales is there. I can also pick up profit from here and drop it on the color. So now you can see the color represents the profit. What is it? What is the shading pattern? Let's see. Orange color represents the losses. So these are loss making states. You can see profit is minus 25,729. So it is a loss. And dark blue are the profit making states. Now, even if I want to represent profit here, I can pick up the profit from here and put it in the label. Now I want to divide this graph according to the segment. So I'll pick up the segment from here and drop it into the columns. So I'll get three maps: consumer, corporate, and home office. So it will be very easy for me that in which segment I'm doing good. For example, the consumer section is doing well in Washington, California, and this state is District of Columbia. And here the dark blue is California. So it is very easy for me according to the segment. Can I include one more dimension? Yes, I can include one more dimension. I will pick up from here the category and drop it in the rows. So now my graph will get divided into again three parts. So we are having 9 different parts. So this is the office supplies, consumer, loss making business. Now, if I want to come back on the original map, I'll start dropping everything back again. Right. Now let's see what I can do with the help of these menus which are available. If I want to do the particular selection of the state, I will click here, double click on it, and I will get the details of only the particular state. If I want to go back on the original map, I will press the unpin button. If I want to zoom the map, it can be done with the help of plus or minus on unpinning. By unpinning, I'll again go back to the original map. Now let's see what these options are. I can select rectangular selection, circle selection, that is a radial selection, and the lasso selection. Let's see first the rectangle selections. Let us see the circle selection. Circle selection. Now, if I want to do the selection of uneven pattern, just a minute. Yeah, it can be very well done with the help of lasso selection. See, I can do the uneven pattern selection also. Now, what you can do with this, let us see. If I want to search a particular state, say for example, Georgia, I'll just write down Georgia, United States, and it will give me the map with the details of profit and sales. For unpinning, again I'll press this and I'll be on the original map. So this is a way you can generate field maps using Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos of Tableau. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the like button.